And go off camera.
Guys, I'm not surprised you have
room
not
cam,
found
sorry.
Spot the Dog yet.
It's really hard.
I am in the room,
But Ashton-
viewing it in real definition. And I still
But
cannot find
Ashton,
it.
don't look at it right now.
Okay.
Oh, there it is! No.
Oh wow.
I'm looking for your mouse. Okay.
And then go
Okay.
off camera,
Okay, so go
and then
up
look
there,
at it.
and then look, and then you'll see.
Oh, really?
Go
Yeah.
off camera.
Really?
Check it out.
Yeah.
Really? Really?
Now keep it
Make sure you're off camera, guys.
Oh yeah. Okay. Paul is probably just.
Oh, wait.
Camera, but
What?
We've had a
What?
couple.
Oh,
Where? What? Where? What?
no, okay, I just read that. And it.
Is
But
it
they're close.
on the shelf, on the hat shelf behind the 06 of the local time overlay?
No.
No.
No, but that's the right region of the screen.
Hey, hey,
Hey.
hey, Kathleen.
Hey.
Come on. Spot is in the reflection of the mirror. Nope.
False.
Oh god, that's a lot of emails.
Detective Woggins is on the case.
That's her face.
The fluffy thing right behind the left crack in the back of the chair. Nope. That is. What is that? Oh, it's the bottom of a costume piece. No.
I don't recognize
Is it
that
in the
one.
secret window Graham poked his head through? No.
It is not where Ashton is.
In the shiny helmet? No.
This is like find the fish now. Everyone's shouting.
Because Ashton needs Buffy.
Don't look at it here. Go off camera.
He's not outside the window. He's
Whoever,
in the room.
whoever just texted me, I don't have your number, and I don't feel like texting you back right now because I'm driving. But who are you? I'm sorry, I don't have your phone number in my phone.
well, you do now.
I do now.
Under the box on the shelf. Nope.
Give me your phone. No, he's
He's-
actually
he-
visible.
His head is in plain sight. In the orange costume. Nope.
I don't know. Yeah, that's my mom.
Okay. All right. I know who you are now.
My mom.
In the sink with Joss Whedon.
Is it in the sink with Joss
Visible on
Whedon?
camera.
That'd be awesome.
That would be awesome, but.
Okay, seriously.
Ooh!
Yeah.
Ooh! What?
No, wait.
Anubis169. Got it.
Did he?
What? Where?
Yeah. In the costumes on the right, sandwiched between the hangers.
That's kind of vague.
Hey!
That's as close as anyone's ever got.
Yeah.
I guess he could have guessed that, but.
He's been there for about 2 hours.
I can guarantee he hasn't been there the whole time because I looked through all the costumes right before Gay Bar.
Yes, you did.
Which I still haven't seen.
Is Spot in Africa?
All right, there we go. The last achievement.
Okay, I'm turning off the feed then.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're done.
We're done.
We're done.
Achievements are complete.
100%.